If you notice, alphabet learning, there's a lot of keywords and the search volume is very high and the competition is a little bit low, you can see. So you can work on this topic. And if you notice carefully, there are a lot of videos related to this ABC learning, and the channel got so much views with this topic. So you can make your own. Today I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, and get this type of views. Now I'll share with you this prompt. You can get it from the comment. So just copy this prompt and go over to ChatGPT and paste it. And at the bottom here, paste your topic. You can type here the topic, what you want to create for videos. Now I am showing you about the video that is alphabet learning. So I just type here alphabet learning English and then I got this one. So what you're going to do now, copy the prompt here that ChatGPT gives you. So this for letter A, just copy this one and go over to Flow Labs from Google. Okay. Now from here, create a project and on your right, paste the prompt you copied. Before that, just make your setting like this. If you want to create a landscape video, then 16:9, or if you want a real format, then 9:16 is good. And I am choosing here a light version. Okay, so you can go with the light and then go for continue and always approve it. So I just click on approve and it will take up to few seconds and you'll get your video. So let's wait and see how our video goes. If you say it's failed, don't worry, it will again create the video by itself. No need to worry about this or click anything else. Just wait. Okay, we got our video. Let's play it.
Hi everyone! Today we are learning about the letter A. Look, A is for apple. Can you say A?
Okay, this video looks promising and best for kids. Now here, click on the plus icon and here type your next prompt you got from here for letter B. So just copy it and paste it there. Okay. And okay, continue. So it will take a few seconds and again.
Hi everyone! Today we are learning about the letter A. Look, A is for apple. Can you say A?
Okay.
B is for ball and bird.
So the video is continuing from the A part. Now again copy for the C, for the D and the rest of the letters. You can do it exactly how I am showing you. So the video will give you the best result if you do it like this as I am doing here right now. Okay, after you create your video, you need to download it. You can see there up there or download this. Okay, click on this and it will download the full video. So it will take a few minutes when you click on the download. Here it is.
Today we are learning about the letter A. Look, A is for apple. Can you say A?
So this is our video. Looks really great and
ball and bird.
similar to the videos that we
Let's
just saw in
C.
YouTube, and it's the better one. So
And look,
the
C
kids
is also
will
for
really
car.
like this.
Wow, a letter D. And look,
You can do
a
this
dog
for
and a
the
duck.
numbers
D is for dog
and
duck.
the other alphabets as
We
well.
learned so much today about the letters A, B, C, and D. Thanks for learning with us.
So what we'll do, let's upload this in our YouTube channel. So create a YouTube channel and then upload it like this way. If you want, you can do it from your Android or iOS device to upload this. Use YouTube app from your mobile device. But If you want to upload it from your desktop, you can do like this way. Okay. For title, just keep it simple and on the point, as we are uh, uploading this video related to ABCD. So we just type here ABCD learning alphabets for kids and fun. And if you want to include at the age, you can add those. And I got these suggestions because I installed an extension called vidIQ. If you want, you can just go over to Chrome Web Store and add the extension vidIQ, and you will get the suggestion like this, what I'm getting from here, the vidIQ. Okay. Now, if there are no playlist, you can create a playlist for your every videos, so it will look much more professional if you maintain your um, videos in the playlist category and make it for no for kids, because we want to get AdSense from here and use the tags that suggested by vidIQ, and also use some tags from your title. You can see we are using some short of our titles in the tags. Okay, it's not mandatory, but you can do this. And for the video language, you can keep it what language you create your video, or is English, so we keep it in English, and date always the same. And if you want, you can give it a Creative Commons. And as it's a educational type, we can keep it for educational. Okay, now go for next. Before that, if you want to make a thumbnail for your video, you can do this. Go over to ChatGPT where you create your prompts for this video. Just go over to that and type, I need a thumbnail for this video, and it will give you a thumbnail prompt. So here, just type, give me a thumbnail prompt for this video. Now it will give you the prompt, and you can use this prompt in GPT, or you can use Meta Image or Google Image. It's up to you. Gemini. Okay. So just give here and continue. So you will get your thumbnail. Now, as you can see, our video is in real format, so we change the aspect ratio for this image. Okay, you'll get a thumbnail like this. So if you are uploading a short version, so you just need to add this thumbnail beginning of your video for 1 to 5 seconds, and then you can upload that video from your mobile device. But if you are doing it from your PC, you can just leave it like this. Okay. Now, if you want to upload it in a right time, you can choose the time zone. So basically, you can do it in the time that people are really engaged in YouTube. You can do it like 9 p.m. or 7 a.m. at the morning EST time, US time. Okay. So upload like this. Make 3 to 5 videos each day. Hope it will work for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.